Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top dollar analysis. So, in the dollar yen, I'm definitely still very bullish overall, and the fact that we're closing above the 78% is a good sign that we're going to go up to at least 100%, right around the 164, 165 area. Definitely looks like we're in a wave 5, but there's no signs that the wave 5 is actually over yet. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, like I said, the fact that we're closing above the 78% is a really good sign. I mean, it definitely looks like it has a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, but there's really nothing stopping this at this point going up to the 100% Fibonacci extension, right around the 165 area, I believe. Yeah, 165 flat. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I think this is more likely a wave 1. This is probably an ABC of 2, and we're most likely in a wave 3. We got a couple areas of resistance to keep an eye out. The 123 at the 162.2 is definitely an area to watch out for, and the 138 right around the 163.4 is another area where we may see some resistance in this uptrend. But for now, definitely still bullish, looking for pullback entries. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got no break of structure, no lower high, no reason at all to do anything except for look for longs on shorter time frames. Going right down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for long entries, at least until I see some sort of a break or a resistance or something on the higher time frames telling me otherwise. Really, it's been quite sideways. Hopefully, it is making a pullback. I would like to call this a wave A. I'd like to see this as a wave B and a wave C, because then if we have 1, 2, 3 waves down and impulsive up, that's going to be exactly what I'm looking for entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I'm going to continue to look for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. 1, 2, 3 waves down, even way back here, 1, 2, 3 waves down. In hindsight, you can kind of see that this is actually a big ABC correction right here, but whether it's a big correction, whether it's a small correction, I am definitely only looking for longs until the higher time frames tell me otherwise at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.